just make payment for order on 1688 Chinese shopping app, but you are not sure or you don't know if the order has been shipped, consider to stay tuned to this video from beginning to the end and see how to check your order shipment on 1688 shopping app and see if your order has been shipped after you have successfully made payment to a supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. First thing first, go ahead and open up your 1688 app. Having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, is going to open up like so. Then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and see how to check your order shipment status after you make payment to supplier on 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this icon right here. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this particular icon right here. Just like so. So from this point here, you have all order that is being on transit right here, which simply means that the order has been shipped after you have successfully made payment. Then from here, you can easily track the order. So for that, go ahead and click on here, and then this will open up the order detail on transit. This will tell you if the order has been delivered or still on transit, including your delivery address right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.